Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This will be a quick video on the module not installed error in Terraform. So while you create your modules and you will try to run Terraform plan, you might get this error, and this is the error module not installed. And Terraform will also tell you how to fix it. You just need to reinitialize, that is, you need to just run the Terraform init again. It will initialize the modules that you have recently created, and that would fix the issue. Once you have done Terraform init, you just can go ahead and do the Terraform plan again. You should not receive that module not installed error again. Waiting for a couple of seconds, and you should see the execution plan for this Terraform configuration. And that's all. So we have fixed that module not installed error. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and keep supporting. Thank you.